Individually or in pairs, students will design a digital or paper infographic titled How to Keep a Positive Digital Footprint. This infographic will include tips for responsible sharing, such as understanding privacy settings, avoiding oversharing, and thinking before posting. Approach Step 1: Understand the concept of a digital footprint. Define digital footprint. Explain what a digital footprint is and why it's important to keep it positive. Example: potential impact on future opportunities, personal privacy. Discuss positive practices. Review key strategies for maintaining a positive digital footprint, such as being mindful of privacy, avoiding oversharing, and responsible posting. Step to brainstorm content for the infographic. Identify key tips. Have students list essential tips, such as privacy settings, regularly review and adjust privacy settings on social media and other platforms, think before posting, encourage reflecting on whether the content is appropriate and respectful before posting, avoid oversharing. Highlight the importance of not sharing too much personal information online. Be mindful of online interactions, practice respectful communication, and avoid engaging in negative online behavior. Consider additional ideas. Students might add tips like monitoring tags, curating profiles, and understanding how content is searchable and traceable. Step 3: Organize information into a visual structure. Plan the layout. Choose a clear, logical layout. For example, introduction, a brief definition of a digital footprint at the top. Main sections, divide the infographic into sections with titles like privacy, mindful posting, avoiding oversharing, etc. Tips and icons. Use bullet points or short sentences for each tip, accompanied by relevant icons or images. Keep text concise. Use brief, actionable phrases to make the infographic easy to read and engaging. Step 4: Design the infographic. Select a format. Choose a digital design tool like Canva, Pictochart, or Google Slides, or use physical paper and markers if working offline. Incorporate visuals. Add visuals like icons, symbols, or drawings that represent each tip. For example, lock icon for privacy, symbolizing privacy settings, light bulb icon for thinking before posting, symbolizing thoughtful sharing. Use colors and fonts strategically. Select readable fonts and a color scheme that aligns with a positive, clean message. Keep it consistent and not overly bright to maintain professionalism. Step 5: Review and refine. Check for clarity and accuracy. Ensure all tips are clear, accurate, and easy to understand. Peer feedback. Have students exchange infographics with classmates or ask for teacher feedback to spot areas for improvement. Edit for readability. Adjust font sizes, color contrasts, and spacing to make sure the infographic is easily readable. Step 6: Finalize and share. Finalize the design. Make final adjustments based on feedback. Print or present digitally. Decide whether to print the infographic, if it's a paper version, or share it digitally. PDF or image format. Class sharing session. Have students or pairs present their infographic to the class, explaining each tip and why it's essential for a positive digital footprint.